Breaking news. Get ready for 3 week sit at home. Totally locked down in Biafra land. Simon Ekpa. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. As it dey happen, na so we dey bring am dey come. Say you know. If today na the first day wey dey come across this wonderful channel, wetin you dey wait? Go subscribe to our YouTube channel. Na there e dey happen o. And also remember to follow us here on Facebook. As it dey hot, na so we dey bring am dey come. My people, let's go ahead and look into ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. Wetin dey happen for inside Biafra land. They say the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile wey be Simon Ekpa. He don come outside the country to he say breaking news. Get ready for 3 weeks lockdown targeted at only Nigeria government in Biafra land. My people, e be like say wetin Simon Ekpa dey talk for here na be say this lockdown wey you wan do now wey be say na 3 weeks. No be for Biafra business. E go be maybe if e come like this na if e say okay, all the whole banks, all the whole thing wey belong to Nigeria people for Biafra territory, make dem no open o. Na wetin I understand for this one, because 3 weeks lockdown only targeted at Nigeria government in Biafra land. If you come say police, make police no open o. No be small thing. If you come say okay, anything wey belong to government property in Biafra land, make dem no open o. Make dem dey their lane. Na wetin mean for this particular side. So e get another tweet wey Simon Ekpa tweeted for here wey shock me. This one go read o, but we go read am come outside for you. He say last night the Biafra government in exile banned every traditional ruler, Eze, chief, PG, etc. from having any meeting with Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, on how to bring killings to our land. If we see you in a meeting with Hope or allow Hope to use you, your promise of hers to convince you, bringing killings to our people, my people. Simon Ekpa don cut chain o. He say anybody wey Hope Uzodinma use to bring killings to Biafra land, he go deal with the person, he go give am woto. He also go ahead and say how to kill our people and burn our villages or homes. Consider that you no longer have a home. It means say those people wey be say we go have meeting with Hope Uzodinma, he say make dem consider themselves say they no get house again, because as they dey plan to burn the house that belongs to Biafras, say their own house im go burn am yata. E go come burn woto. No be small thing. So this thing na wetin Simon Ekpa talk, wey be say I go leave the tweet for here, make you still read am by yourself and see am say the Biafra government in exile wey be Simon Ekpa na e carry this matter come outside o. He say don cut chain for them. Say e don too much. Hope Uzodinma, e don too much, e don too kill Imo State people. Say e no go gree this time around. So e get another tweet wey we go read that for you as well. He say the security threat in Ngokpala is over. We hereby call on all Biafras to move freely in that area. Always stay tuned on security situation and alarm. My people, if you from Ngokpala, oya make you react for comment. Tell us wetin dey happen for your area. Tell us the security threat wey dey happen for that side wey Simon Ekpa tweet. He say it's over. Say people wey dey for that area go fit move freely like this. My people, na so we see am o, and na so we carry am come. You know say our news for here wey we talk am come aside, we go allow you to contribute put for the matter. If you agree for wetin Simon Ekpa talk, make you let us know for comment section. If you no agree for wetin him talk, make you still let us know for comment section. Remember say Simon Ekpa go ahead and say 3 weeks lockdown targeted only for Nigeria government in Biafra land. And he also went ahead and said that he's hereby abandoning Hope Uzodinma for having any kind of meeting with any traditional rulers in order way to discuss how to bring killings to Ndi Igbo. He also go and say that there is a security threat in Ngokbala that is hereby over, so people there can move freely. So for all these things wey Simon Ekpa talk, if you agree for the things wey him talk, make you drop am for comment section and share this video. Share this video to everyone. Share it to your friends to group further so that they will get information and turn up here so that if they bring and they come, we will get enough people to discuss about them. Don't forget to follow this page and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for quick updates like this as they happen and so will they bring and they come. So stay tuned. What will they bring you latest updates in this particular channel? Go and subscribe to our YouTube channel immediately for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video where will they bring they come.